Hello everybody, we are here at Menards, here in Germantown, Wisconsin. And I recently looked up their store locator website and I noticed that this Menards just recently got done with their expansion. So most of you guys know what that means. When I show you this wall over here, that's a shaft wall, and you guys already know what's coming. You guys know what's coming already. That's right. Menards in Germantown, Wisconsin is finally getting an elevator. It's going to be a brand new 2023 Schumacher hydraulic elevator. You can see they just installed the door frames on both floors, and all that they're missing is the firefighter operations on the outside and the call buttons. So yep, it's about time Menards in Germantown get an elevator. It's gonna be a brand new Schumacher elevator, like many other Schumachers I've been on. It's been a while since I've done videos like this. I did a lot of this stuff since like 2019. Here's the second floor view of the Schumacher hydraulic elevator. So you can see the door is open on this floor. They recently just installed the new cab. There's where the call button is going to be. Just going to get a quick view of this COP. So yep, this is what their COP looks like. I'm not going to push the buttons. So yep, there you guys go. It has been confirmed. Menards in Germantown, Wisconsin is getting an elevator. So yep, there you guys have it. All they need to do is put in some new call buttons and paint the wall white and inspection tests, and they're pretty much done. I'm gonna do a quick view of the machine room. Over here is the machine room. See, that's the motor right there. Schumacher hydraulic elevator. So yep, it's about time Menards in Germantown gets an elevator, like I said. So yep, there you guys have it. Here's the first update of the brand new elevator here at this Menards. Probably in the next few months or so, probably during summertime, I might try to get this elevator probably the next time I'm in this area. So yep, there you guys have it. Jay, if you're watching this is for you. Another Menards store is getting a new elevator. Yep, there goes the Menards jingle, y'all. So yep, that's an update on the brand new elevator here at the Germantown Menards. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. And don't miss out on my latest posts. That being said, that is it.